This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Bill Dudley Jr. Super Clean 2-1, second floor apartment, no Section 8 with bonus room, perfect for computer or dining table. Remodeled bath, updated kitchen and new fridge. Parking space, nice sitting area and barbecue on site as well as laundry, great location near downtown. Second floor unit. Easy access to interstate and bus line. Immediate occupancy. First, last, and security $700. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill Dudley Jr. at 727-527-7373 extension 116.